So, what we do is we just kind of showed how to use the change of base formula in the first couple examples. Here, the next section, what we're going to do is we're going to go over properties of logarithms. So when you have properties of logarithms, the different things you're going to do here is we're going to separate multiplication into addition. What we can also do is you can also turn logarithms that are multiplying into addition like this, but you can also go backwards. So really this arrow means you can go either way. If you have to condense something, then you go, and condense means you can make something smaller. So if you have two logs that are added, what you can do is you can make them into one log that is where your values here are multiplied. Same thing if you need to expand something, you're going to take something that's multiplied and you can write it out as addition. That's your product property. Next you have your quotient property, so if you need to expand something, you can take the u divided by v, and you write it as the log of u minus the log of v, and you're going to use whatever base is given to you. So if there's a 10 here, you put 10 and 10. If there's a 5 here, you put 5 and 5. And then you have the power property. Basically what this n does right here is it just moves to the front, or this n also can move up and be an exponent up here. So it all depends if you are trying to condense or if you are trying to expand. Now you can do all those same things with your natural log. Don't get confused just because it has an ln instead of an log that you can't do it, but you can. So for example 3 here, we want to write each log in terms of ln of 2 and ln of 5. Well, we know that this is the same as saying the natural log of 2 times 5. So if we want to expand this, then we can rewrite that as the natural log of 2. Multiplication means we add, so you have the natural log of 5. Natural log of 2 plus natural log of 5. That is how you expand something. Very basic. Same thing on the second part. If you have natural log of 5 divided by the natural log of 32, you're going to get the natural log of 5, and with division you're going to subtract the natural log of 32. So then this can't be reduced any further. What you're going to have is this is just a way to expand division into subtraction. Little tip here, there's no property that says if you have L of x plus y, then you cannot expand into the natural log of x plus natural log of y. This is equal to the log base a of x times y, not separating it into two separate logs. That is not possible. And continually I see people trying to do this throughout the years. So don't do it. You do it, you will be el wrongo. That's Spanish for wrong.